everybody, welcome back to another episode of Boofus' Sports Card Collecting. I just wanted to do a little episode on Jabs' $51 box. I finally got his $51 box, and I got me a little Topps blaster. And with the Jabs $51 tier box, you get a blaster, and you get 5 hobby packs of relatively newer packs. These are the newer packs that I ended up getting. I got a 2020 update pack. Looks like a hanger pack. I got a 2019 Topps Heritage. I got a 2019 Donruss. I got a 2019 Diamond Kings. And I got a 2010 Topps Chrome, which is pretty cool, except for it's got a big bend in it. So, but overall, I think this is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and start opening up the packs first, and then I'm going to go to the blaster. Let's go ahead and start with what I think is the worst to the best. I'm going to go with the 2019 Diamond Kings first. 5 cards per pack. We'll see what's in here. See if I can get anything good in here. And they are awful difficult to open. Yeah, really difficult to open. There we go, I got it. There we go. That was a little bit difficult. Alright, got a rookie card of Justin Sheffield. Got a Chris J. Masterson. Looks pretty old school. Got a Juan Soto. That's a cool card. Definitely, that's a piece here. I got a Justin Verlander. And I got a Chris Davis. Alright. Next I'm going to open up is the, I guess I'm going to go with the 2020 update. Hanger pack. Let's see what we pull out of this. Okay. Got a Francisco Lindor All-Star card. Got a Ken Griffey Jr. Home Run Derby, 1999 Home Run Derby card. Got a Cesar Hernandez. Got a time showered for the Lindor Delcis Ramirez in Cleveland, or I'm sorry, the Cleveland team. I got a Daniel Hudson. Got a Cole Calhoun, Arizona Diamondbacks. Trenton Walker of the Seattle Mariners. Joey Votto of the Cincinnati Reds. Jason Castro of the Angels. And I got a Turkey Red Chrome of Kerry Wood. That's a cool card. And I got a Turkey Red of Shohei Akadema. And then I got a rookie debut of Adonis Aquino. And then I got a Terrence Gore for the Dodgers. That's going to be a PC card for me. There's a David Ortiz, Big Papi. I know Ethan likes this guy. Here's a Jed Gokra. Oh, sorry if I killed that name. Jed Greico, almost like Geico. Tyler Wade for the New York Yankees. That's my last card for the update. Okay, next cards, I think I'm going to go with the 2019 Heritage. I think this is a hanger pack as well. And let's see what we get out of here. I got a George Solera of the Kansas City Royals. Mike Leaf of the Seattle Mariners. Jarkinson Porfon from the Texas Rangers. Chris Iannetta from the Colorado Rockies. Jim Perry and Blake Snell, then and now. David Boyd from the Chicago Cubs. Brandon Lau and Michael Perez, 2019 Rookie All-Stars for the Tampa Bay Rays. Juan Lazares for the Mets. Sorry if I killed that last name. And Pat Neshek for the Philadelphia Phillies. Alright, next pack. Let's open up the Donruss. See what we got with the Donruss. First card, got a Christian Yelich Diamond Kings. Got a Trevor Story. Got a Matt Chapman. Got a Yordan McAnally for the Chicago White Sox, I believe. Yoan Monica. Oh, I'm sure I'm slaughtering all these names. Sorry about that. Rated rookie of Michael Kopech. That's cool. Matt Olson. National League MVP Freddie Freeman. And 2019 rookie card of K. Ferguson. That's a BC card. Excuse me. Alright, last pack. I really want to open this up. Looking forward to opening up 2010 Topps Chrome. Never have opened this up. Only thing I'm worried about is the bin. If I get anything good, definitely going to put it in a top loader so I can get it to maybe straighten up a little bit. But let's see what we get. Alright. First card. Adam Dunn from the Arizona... Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Washington Nationals. I apologize. Dustin Pedroia. Excuse me. The Boston Red Sox. Elvis Andrus of the Texas Rangers. And the last card is Kendry Morales of the Angels. Alright, now let's get into this blaster. Let's see what we can get out of this blaster. See if we can get a little luck out of this one. Alright. Nothing in the box. Here's our packs. I'll leave that for last. Alright, first pack. Let's see what we get. Alright. Got a Javier Baez. Got a Gene Segura. I got a, what is this? This is Kentel Wong from the St. Louis Cardinals. Got a Danny Santana from the Texas Rangers. Got a Eduardo Rodriguez from the Boston Red Sox. Got it.
You know where the
Got a Dansbury Swanson from the Atlanta Braves. Sorry about that. Got a Justin Sheffield from the Seattle Mariners. Got a Craig Biggio from the Toronto Blue Jays. Got an insert, Mike Piazza, New York Mets. But I like him from the Los Angeles Dodgers, so that's a good card for me. Definitely going to put that in my PC. Got a 52 insert, Pete Alonso. Got the National League MVP again, Freddie Freeman. Got a Rafael Devers from the Boston Red Sox. Got a Miguel Ozuna from the Atlanta Braves. And you got a Sonny Gray from the Cincinnati Reds. Alright, next pack. Might have something in here. Okay, so first card is a Miguel Aguilar from the New York Yankees. Nelson Cruz from the Minnesota Twins. Christian Yelich from the Milwaukee Brewers. Chris Taylor from the Dodgers. Definitely PC. Motor City Masters. The Detroit Tigers. The Baltimore Orioles team card. The Texas Rangers team card. We got a Joey Walton from the Tampa Bay Rays. Tampa Bay Rays, sorry. And I got a Javi Baez home run challenge card. And then I got a Casey Mize 52 Topps rookie card. That's a nice one. Okay, I got a Buck Farmer. And I got a Alice Aquino Future Stars. Got another Future Stars of Jose Urquido from the Astros. And Daniel Johnson from the Cleveland team. Okay, next pack. Alright. We got Howie Kendrick from the Washington Nationals. Got Brian Braxton from the Minnesota Twins. We got Buster Posey. Don't just stand there. Nate Peterson, rookie card. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Get up, New York Mets. Humberto Medina from the Arizona Diamondbacks. Nick Newbert, rookie card from the Miami Marlins. And I got a 1986 insert of Rafael Devers from the Red Sox. That's a good one. And a 52 insert of the National League MVP, Freddie Freeman. And a Dalton Varsho rookie card from the Diamondbacks. And a Santiago Espinal rookie card from the Blue Jays. And a Isaac Padre excuse me. Isaac Padres, I think, from the Detroit Tigers. And then here's a good one. Christian Pache from the Atlanta Braves. Next pack, guys, next pack. Fourth pack. See what we got. Jesus Aguilar from the Miami Marlins. Jake Arizona. Arizona from the Minnesota Twins. How do you say that last name? Bryce Harper from the Phillies. Kirby Yates from the Padres. Archie Bradley from the Reds. Nick Swinzel from the Reds. Dalton Bundy from the Angels. Mitch Hanger from the Seattle Mariners. Washington Nationals team card. A 52 insert of Joey Votto. Miguel Cabrera. Super skinny. No, never mind. This is Adam Punko. I thought this was that rookie. Never mind, disregard. This is Gio Gonzalez from the Chicago White Sox. Put that in the PC. And then Wilson Contreras from the Chicago Cubs. Alright, fifth pack. Alright, on top, Pete Alonso. Ronald Guzman. Yadier Molina. Rhys Hawkins. The Chicago White Sox. BC, baby. Post-game hand wash. Hopefully this won't be too often anymore. Cole Herrud, rookie for the Chicago White Sox. Another PC card. Alex Gordon for the Kansas City Royals. And check this out. A Platinum 70th edition of Nolan Ryan. I like that card. I know people don't like these die cuts too much, but I like that card. That's pretty cool. And then I got a Gleyber Torres 52 tops. I got a Mitch Moreland on the Padres, from the Padres. I got a Mike Trout. Any Trout's a good Trout, right? I got a Shane Bieber, League Leaders. And I got a Matthew Boyd from the Detroit Tigers. Alright, 6-pack. Get a little something awesome, I hope. Alright. Aaron Judge on top. Marvin Gonzalez from the Minnesota Twins. Brandon Woodruff from the Milwaukee Brewers. Adam Wintry, rookie card from the Cardinals. Mike Yuzowski. Mike Yuzowski. Let's see, from the San Francisco Giants. Wade Davis from the Colorado Rockies. Travis DeBardone from the Atlanta Braves. Yu Darvish from the Chicago Cubs. Ryan Yabarouche from Tampa Bay. Steven Strasburg, 52, tops sign. League Leaders, Lou Volk. Josh Reddick from the Astros. Future Stars, Brustal Gratterall from the Dodgers. PC. And rookie card, Andres Gimenez from the New York Mets. Alright guys, last pack of the regular. And then we got the relic insert, I guess. The manufactured relic. Luis Patino, rookie card from the San Diego Padres. Brandon Drury from the Blue Jays. Marcion Dubon. I have his rookie card autograph from Stadium Club, but I have another one of his cards here. Kentel Marte from the Diamondbacks. I have an AJ Pollock from the Dodgers. Another PC. Here's another PC. I got a Dave Dunning from the White Sox. That's a rookie card. And I got a Mitch White rookie card from the Dodgers. And those are all PCs. Here's a Future Stars card from Trent Grissom. And then I got a nice little foil Future Star of Nico Horner. That's a good one. And I got a 52 tops of Rafael Devers. And I got a Charlie Blackmon. And I got a Jake Perez from Cleveland. I got an Eloy Jimenez from the White Sox. That's going to be a PC. And last card is Chris Davis. At that time from the Orioles. I don't think he's there no more. And let's see what the medallion is, or button, or whatever you want to call it. And it looks like this time I got an Ernie Banks. Alright guys, so that's my $51 tier for Jabs. I think it's well worth it. I got cards, and here I have a hard time getting cards, so it's definitely worth getting some cards. I really enjoyed opening these packs. Hope you did. Let me know what your favorite card is down below in the comments, and leave a like and subscribe. Peace.